So, who was the member of Constituent Assembly from Bihar? So, answer was so the personality of Bihar who were part of Constituent Assembly of India. Dr. Sachidanand Sinha, the senior member of Constituent Assembly, was nominated by the interim president December 9. तो आपके हैं सचिदानंद सिन्हा. देन वी हैव राजेंद्र प्रसाद. तो ये भी है और शायद जगजीवन राम भी थे. तो अदर पर्सनालिटीज फ्रॉम बिहार हु मेड देयर वैल्यूएबल कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली वर श्री अनुग्रह नारायण सिन्हा. तो ये भी थे. ऑप्शन नहीं है. श्री कृष्ण सिंह है, जगत है. हाँ, ये बाबू जगजीवन राम भी थे और ही वाज द लॉन्गेस्ट सर्विंग मिनिस्टर इन द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट. ही वाज लेबर मिनिस्टर एट दैट टाइम. और श्री जगत नारायण लाल और श्री सत्यनारायण सिन्हा हो गए. श्री श्यामनंद सहाय हो गए. जयपाल सिंह, राम नारायण सिंह, श्री ब्रजेश्वर प्रसाद एंड महाराजा कामेश्वर सिंह ऑफ दरभंगा. तो ये भी थे महाराजा कामेश्वर सिंह ऑफ दरभंगा और अनुग्रह नारायण सिन्हा और श्री कृष्ण. अदर पर्सनालिटीज फ्रॉम बिहार हु मेड देयर वैल्यूएबल कंट्रीब्यूशन टू द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली वर. तो ये हो गए. नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन. The total number of members from Bihar in which the Constituent Assembly was 36. तो टोटल हमारे हिसाब से कितने लोग हैं? 36. तो ये भी क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. कितने? 36. When was the Patna lawn renamed गांधी मैदान? तो ये होता है on the eve of independence. कब होता है? After गांधी महात्मा गांधी assassination on 13th January 1940 as a mark of tribute to Patna lawn. तो उससे पहले इसका नाम क्या था? बांकेपुर मैदान. उससे पहले नाम था बांकेपुर मैदान. Renamed as Gandhi Maidan. So the answer should be option E. Now, ideally answer should be E, but given option D. Now, who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? तो वो है आपके बख्तियार खलजी. कौन है? बख्तियार खलजी. First Turk attack in Bihar or successful Muslim conqueror of even Bkhtiar Khalji, where he was under the Subidar of Awadh, Hasimuddin, when he attacked Bihar. Bkhtiar Khalji conquered Odantapuri and made his center. He also established a town called Bkhtiarpur. His mausoleum in Bihar, Sharif. Now, source है Tabaqat Nasr, written by Minaj Siraj. और Bkhtiar Khalji also destroyed Nalanda Mahabihar during his Bihar expedition. So he attacked Nalanda Mahabihar with expectation to get huge wealth, but he did not find so. In anger, he burned the Ratnadhi library of Nalanda. Nalanda University was founded by Kumar Gupta of the Gupta dynasty. Mahabihar of Nalanda was added to UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2016. Nalanda Bihar destroyed. तो ये आपके बख्तियार खलजी. Vikramshila University established by Dharampal. Founded by Pala King Dharampal, located in Bhagalpur district. तो विक्रमशिला यूनिवर्सिटी कौन बनाता है आपका? धर्मपाल. Now it was one of the Buddhist center for learning in ancient times. It was destroyed by Muhammad bin Bakhtiyar Khalji forces around 1203 AD. Gopal was the founder of Pala dynasty. He established Udantapur University at Bihar Sharif. Devpal, son of Dharmpal, defeated Amogh Varsha of Rashtrakoot dynasty. कौन है? Amogh Varsha of Rashtrakoot dynasty. Now consider following statement regarding the Vikramshila University in Bihar. It was located in present-day Bihar, Banka district. तो ये नहीं, भागलपुर में है. It was established by King Gopal I of Pala dynasty. We have to check. पाला गोपाल धर्मपाल शायद बनाए थे विक्रमशिला को. कौन बनाया था? धर्मपाल बनाया था. Now Bajrayana sect of Buddhism flourished here. ठीक है. Other subjects like astronomy, logic, law were practiced there. ठीक है. Grammar, philosophy also taught there here. तो it was correct. तो incorrect क्या है आपका? 1 and 2. Vikramshila University, also known as Vikramshila Mahabihara, ancient Buddhist learning center and monastery located in the present day Bhagalpur district of Bihar. Hence statement 1 is incorrect. Vikramshila University established by King. कौन है King? Dharampal of Pal dynasty in the late 8th century. Now Bajrayana sect of Buddhism did flourish at Vikramshila, which was one of the prominent center of Buddhist learning alongside Nalanda. The university offered a variety of subjects including astronomy, logic, law, grammar and philosophy. तो ये हो गया. Now the author of Udyan Prakash कौन है? मौलवी कवि. कौन है? मौलवी कवि. Maulvi Kavi is the author of book Udvant Prakash. He was the court poet at Jagdishpur state. In his book, he wrote about Babu Kunwar Singh. Other books by Maulvi Kavi कौन है? Udant Vinod and Bagh Singh. Now, who left Patna College with just 20 days remaining for his examination during non-cooperation movement? तो ये थे आपके JP Jay Prakash. So on the कॉल ऑफ नेशनलिस्ट लीडर मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद फॉर गिविंग अप इंग्लिश एजुकेशन, जयप्रकाश नारायण गिफ्ट पटना कॉलेज। तो किसके कॉल पे किए थे ये किसके कॉल पे किए थे आपको? मौलाना अबुल कलाम आजाद फॉर गिविंग अप हिज इंग्लिश एजुकेशन, जयप्रकाश नारायण लेफ्ट पटना कॉलेज barely 20 days before his exam and joined Bihar Vidyapit. Now JP was born on 11th October 1902 at the village Sitab Diara of the Saran district, Bihar. On the invitation from Jawaharlal Nehru, he joined the INC in 1929. Congress Socialist Party was formed with Acharya Narendra Dev as president and Jayaprakash Narayan as general secretary in 1934. He also led the total revolution in 1974 against the Indian Indira Gandhi, which ultimately led to the formation of Janata Party government in 1977. He is popularly known as Lok Nayak. Now, Patna Airport is named after JP. ठीक है, by which name is Jayaprakash Narayan known? तो ये थे आपके लोक नायक. Who was given the title of Lok Nayak? तो थे JP. A leader of Bihar who left his liquidative practice during non-cooperative movement. तो ये थे आपके जॉब जो छोड़े वो थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद, और जो 20 दिन पहले अपना एजुकेशन छोड़ दिए तो वो थे जेपी. तो यहाँ पे आपका आ गया राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Now, Rajendra Prasad during the non-cooperation movement gave up his law practice and started a national college near Patna 1921. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was born at Jiradei in Siwan, Bihar. Rajendra Prasad played a major role in the forming the Bihar Student Conference in 1901. He joined INC in 1911 and at the Calcutta session 1911, INC President Vishan Narayan Dhar. After Mahatma Gandhi established Bihar Vidyapit on 6 February 1920, Rajendra Prasad became its principal. Also known as Ajat Satru, who had no enemies. Earlier, he held the position of the chairman of Patna municipality. ठीक है, he served as the Minister of Food Agriculture in the interim government 1946. Rajendra Prasad spent his last days at Sadakat Ashram, Patna. कहाँ पे? Last day Sadakat Ashram, Patna. Literary contribution देखा जाए, literary contribution क्या है? At the feet of Mahatma Gandhi, India divided. क्या बुक है? इससे क्वेश्चन इनका आ चुका है बहुत बार एग्जाम में. क्या है? At the feet of Mahatma Gandhi, India divided, Economics of Khadi, Patna Law Weekly, देश मैगजीन, और इंडियन रेमिनिशंस करके एक बुक था, वो भी शायद इन्हीं का है. डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, तो ये हम लोग देखा है चेयरमैन ऑफ पटना म्यूनिसिपैलिटी थे राजेंद्र प्रसाद. महात्मा गांधी एंड बिहार सम रेमिनिशंस, ये बुक का मैं बात कर रहा था जो कि PYQ. क्या है? महात्मा गांधी एंड बिहार एंड सम रेमिनिशंस, तो डॉक्टर राजेंद्र. सो अदर बुक्स बाय राजेंद्र प्रसाद कौन कौन है आपका? इंडिया डिवाइडेड, एट द फीट ऑफ महात्मा गांधी, सत्याग्रह इन चंपारण, तो देखिए ये भी सत्याग्रह इन चंपारण. फिर है साहित्य, शिक्षा और संस्कृति. अब आते हैं हम लोग हिज ऑटोबायोग्राफी क्या है आपका? आत्मकथा. was written during his 3-year prison term बांकेपुर जेल. तो कौन सा जेल में थे ये? बांकेपुर जेल में थे. तो ये अपना जो आत्मकथा जो लिखे हैं ये कब लिखे? आपके बांकेपुर जेल में लिखे हैं. और यहाँ फिर से इनका लिटरेरी वर्क देखते हैं. वो है लोक स्वराज्य, फिर है इनसाइड लाहौर फोर्ट, फिर है फेस टू फेस, फिर है आपका कारावास की कहानी, टोटल रिवोल्यूशन. तो ये जेपी का है. ओके, टोटल रिवोल्यूशन, लोक स्वराज्य, इनसाइड लेबर फोर्ट, फेस टू फेस, कारावास की कहानी, टोटल स्वराज फॉर द पीपल फ्रॉम सोशलिज्म टू सर्वोदय. तो ये सब तो कनेक्ट हो जाएगा ना. कर्पूरी ठाकुर का देखते हैं. पॉपुलरली नोन एज जन नायक, बिकेम द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ बिहार ट्वाइस, 22 ईयर दिसंबर से लेकर आपका ये बनते हैं. और फॉर्मूला 26% रिजर्वेशन फॉर द बैकवर्ड कास्ट इन बिहार वाज प्रिपेयर्ड and implemented by him. कर्पूरी ठाकुर himself composed a famous poem titled हम सोए वतन को जगाने चले हैं, हम सोए वतन को जगाने चले हैं. नाउ विच गुरु born in पटना? तो गोविंद सिंह. गोविंद सिंह. तो 10th गुरु सिख गुरु गोविंद सिंह was born in Patna 22 December 1666. He was the son of 9th Guru of Sikh, Guru Tegh Bahadur. He was assassinated by Jamshed Khan and Wasil Beg in 1708. So who among the following were peasant leader from Bihar? Swami Vidyanand, हाँ ये थे. स्वामी सजानंद, ये भी थे. Vallabh Patel was not from Bihar, he was from Gujarat. तो सजानंद सरस्वती, original name Naurang Rai, क्या है आपका? Naurang Rai, and he belonged to Uttar Pradesh, but his work area was in Bihar. Now he formed his first, यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनता है सजानंद सरस्वती से. He formed his first ashram in Simri village, Sahabad, and second in Bhita, Patna. His first sitting of Bihar PPKS was held in Sonpur in November 1929 and presided over by Swami Sajanand Saraswati, and General Secretary was Bihar Kesari. बिहार के श्री क्वेश्चन बन चुका है, कौन थे? तो श्री कृष्ण सिंह थे. Second BPKS was held at Gaya in 1934 and was presided by Purushottam Das Tandon, while the third was held at Hajipur in 1935 and again presided over by Swami Sajanand Saraswati. He organized the Buckshot movement in Bihar in 1937-39. तो ये टाइम फ्रेम भी पूछा जाता है कि कब किया गया था, तो ये था आपका 1937-39 में. Means self-cultivated. The movement was against the eviction of tenant from this land and led to the passing of Bihar Tenancy Act and land tax. He also led a successful struggle in the Dalmia sugar mill at Beta, where peasant workers' unity and the most important characteristics हो गया. 1936 BP All India Kisan Sabha was formed at Lucknow under the presidency of Kisan Pran Swami Sajanand Saraswati, and its general secretary was N.G. Ranga. Now, on 19 April 1940, Swami Sajanand Saraswati was arrested by Britisher, and this day is celebrated as Swami Sajanand Day, while 28 April is declared as Swami Sajanand Day by Subhash Chandra Bose. Oh, nice. Now, who did lead the peasant movement in region of Darbhanga Raj? ये थे आपके विद्यानंद, स्वामी विद्यानंद. तो दरभंगा राज में कौन किए? स्वामी विद्यानंद. 1909. Now, in 1920, peasant leader Swami Vidyanand led a protest movement in the Darbhanga region, which was Bihar's largest Zamindar and also one of the largest landed state in Bihar, India. The protest was due to the after effect of World War I, which led to the increase in the price of consumer goods while wages remains stagnant. Who established Swaraj Dal in Bihar? तो ये थे आपके श्री कृष्ण सिंह. स्वराज दल कौन बनाए? श्री कृष्ण सिंह. स्वराज दल, ठीक है. हिस्ट्री देख लेते हैं स्वराज दल का. 1922 ऑल इंडिया किसान कांग्रेस सेशन वाज हेल्ड इन गया अंडर द प्रेसिडेंसी ऑफ चित्तरंजन दास, and it resulted in ideological faction between pro-changer and no-changer. On 1st January 1923, C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru announced the formation of Swaraj Party. In Bihar, Sri Krishna Singh belonged to the pro-changer group and Dr. Rajendra Prasad belonged to the no-changer group. Now, Sri Krishna Singh established the Bihar branch Swaraj Dal in February 1923 with Narayan Singh as its president and Abdul Bari as its general secretary. Who established Swaraj Dal in Bihar? To Sri Krishna Singh. Now, who started the newspaper Motherland in September 1921 to disseminate Hindu-Muslim unity and Gandhian ideology? Hindu Muslim unity and Gandhian ideology. तो ये थे आपके मजरूल उल हक. Now, Maulana Mazrul Haq started the newspaper Motherland in September 1921 from the Sadakat Ashram. He was also jailed for his article in this magazine. Maulana Mazrul Haq was born in rich landlord Sheikh Ahmadullah in Brahmpura, then Bihta, Patna district. तो ये था आपका December 2nd, 22nd, 1866. He was given the title of Desh Bhushan or Fakir Mazrul Haq. Now, the book critical of the British policies Garib Hindustan was banned in Bihar in 1930 by British, was written by Muhammad Wali Hassan. The book Garib Hindustan, which was critical of British policies, was written by Muhammad Wali Hassan and was banned by British in Bihar in 1930 due to its strong nationalist tone and criticism of colonial rule. This work is significant in the context of Indian literature and politics during the British colonial period, reflecting sentiments against colonial rule and socio-political condition of the time. Now, 100 years of Indian National Congress in Bihar was edited by P.N. Ojha. कौन लिखा था? ये 70 पीसी क्वेश्चन है. The 100 years of the Indian National Congress in Bihar was edited by P.N. Ojha. कौन है आपके? P.N. Ojha. The 100 years of Indian National Congress in Bihar was edited by P.N. Ojha, and renowned historian and academic known for his work on modern Indian history and Bihar contribution to national movement. Who inaugurated Bihar National College and its building Bihar Vidyapeeth? तो ये आपके महात्मा गांधी. Inauguration of Bihar National College and building Bihar Vidyapeeth. So Mahatma Gandhi inaugurated Bihar National College and building Bihar Vidyapeeth in 1992. Maulana Haq was elected as the Chancellor. Babu Braj Kishore Prasad was the Vice Chancellor, and Babu Rajendra Prasad as the Principal and Registrar. The most popular leader of time, Dr. Anugrah Narayan Sinha, Singh, first Deputy CM of Bihar, became its professor. The name of the Hindi weekly, which was the mouthpiece of agrarian and peasant movement in Bihar 1940, was Hunkar. The Hindi journal Hunkar, started by Sajanand Saraswati, was published weekly during the 1940 under the Hindi literature. Literary like Pandit Yamuna Karji, along with Sahul Sankratayan and others. Hunkar later became the mouthpiece of the peasant movement and the agrarian movement in Bihar and was instrument in the spreading of the movement. Which city of Bihar was made capital in lieu of the Murshidabad by Mir Qasim? तो ये है आपके मुंगेर. Which city of Bihar was made capital in lieu of Murshidabad by Mir Qasim? तो मुंगेर ले आते हैं वो. क्या होता है? मीर कासिम was in Nawab Bengal from 1760 to 1763. Was installed as Nawab with the support of British East India Company. He soon ran into the dispute with the company over the trade issue. As they objected to Qasim attempt to leave a import-export tariffs on their goods, the relationship between Qasim and the company slowly deteriorated, and he shifted his capital from Murshidabad to Munger in his present-day Bihar, where he raised the army, financing his new troop by streamlining tax collection. Mir Qasim allied with Shah Abdullah of Awadh and Shah Alam II, the Mughal Empire, against the British. However, their combined forces were defeated in the Battle of Buxar in 1764. Now, which treaty was signed after the Battle of Buxar? तो ये था Treaty of Allahabad. So, after Battle of Buxar, a Treaty of Allahabad was signed. Now, Bakht movement कब start हुआ था आपको? 1937-39 में हुआ है. In which year was the Bakht movement started in Bihar? तो ये था आपका 1938. Swami Sajanand Saraswati organized Bakht movement in Bihar 1937-39. 37-39. तो ये आपका 1938 यहाँ पे मार्क किया गया है. ओके, ठीक है, सेल्फ कल्टिवेटेड होता है इसका मतलब. Other important leaders include Kayanand Sharma, Yamunanand Sharma, Jamuna Karji, and Rahul Sankratayan. Bakht movement in Bihar during 1937-39 organized by whom? Swami Sajanand Saraswati. तो क्या था आपका 1937 से लेकर 38. Significance of Bihar दिवस, तो ये आपका होता है to commemorate Bihar separation from Bengal presidency in 1912. अब देखिए यहाँ ट्रिक क्या है कि 22 मार्च को माना गया है कि ऑब्जर्व एवरी ईयर मार्किंग फॉर्मेशन ऑफ स्टेट. So it was on this day when the British carved out the state from Bengal. लेकिन आपका जो ऑफिशियल जो होता है वो होता है 1st of April से. Now, which British officer reported to the government of India that a Muslim of Patna were in correspondence with the 64th Native Infantry near Peshawar and urged it to revolt against the British? तो ये थे आपके रॉबर्ट Montgomery. Now, who led the Quit India movement in Patna city on 11th August 1942? तो ये था आपका subaltern section of city. Section post-colonial theory. The term subaltern is used to represent the lower social classes and the other social groups displaced to the margin of society of the city led to the Quit India movement in Patna city on 11th August 1942. So on 11th August 1942, Anugrah Narayan Sinha was arrested, which triggered students to protest and march towards Secretariat building and decided to host a tricolor flag at the east gate of Secretariat, which eventually led to the martyrdom of 7 young students. Whom of the following leader from Bihar appeared before the Hamold Commission at Ranchi to demand voting rights for the Dalits? तो ये थे आपके बाबू जगजीवन राम. ये थे आपके बाबू जगजीवन राम. Babu Jagjivan Ram from Bihar appeared before the Hammond Commission at Ranchi in 1935 to demand voting right for Dalit. This was the first time voting right for Dalit was raised. Babu Jagjivan Ram became a member of the Indian National Congress and was often called Babuji. Babu Jagjivan Ram, he was instrumental in the establishment of All India Depressed Classes League during 1934-35. Was elected to the Bihar Legislative Assembly in 1937. He contributed to the first cabinet of India as a Labour Minister. Left Congress in 1977 and joined the Janata Party alliance along with his newly formed Congress for Democracy. He served as a deputy PM during 1977-79. His tenure as a member of parliament uninterruptedly from 1936-38, around 50 years of the world record. He formed the Ravidas Sabha in Bihar in 1928. Who formed Ravidas Sabha in Bihar 1928? So Jagjivan Ram. Who among the following waged the rebellion against the British in Bihar immediately after the Battle of Buxar? तो महाराजा फतेह बहादुर शाही waged rebellion against the British in Bihar immediately after the Battle of Buxar. Maharaja Fateh Bahadur Shahi led the Fateh Shahi revolt in Saran area. In 1765, Britishers got Diwani right and asked Maharaja to surrender and pay the revenue, which Maharaja refused and revolt. He led a revolt for almost 23 years. Britishers used to say trouble created by Peshwa is nothing as compared to guerrilla warfare. Trouble created by Fateh Bahadur Shahi. The Battle of Buxar was fought on 22nd October 1764. East India Company defeated combined forces of Mir Qasim, Shah Uddaulah, Nawab Awad, and Mughal King Shah Alam II. The British army was led by Hector Munro. Among the following seven martyrs of Patna during the Quit India movement was the student of B.N. College, ये थे आपके जगपति कुमार. Jagpati Kumar was among the seven martyrs of Patna during the Quit India movement and was a student of B.N. College. Jagpati Kumar was a student of Kharati village, Aurangabad. He was a single college student among them. The incident happened on 11th August 1942 when the student tried to hoist the Indian flag at the east gate of Patna Secretariat. The firing was commanded by District Commissioner W. G. Archer. Now, Umakant Prasant Singh, Narendrapur Saran, Manan Singh, Sadat Nagar Patna, Satish Prasad Jha, देवी पारा चौधरी, राजेंद्र सिंह, राम गोविंद सिंह. तो ये आपके 7 लोग जो थे मारे गए. Which year was Gali Ali Gauhar बिहार एक्सपीडिशन? तो ये था आपका 1759 में. Salam II, also known as the Bihar birth name of Ali Gauhar, was 17th Mughal emperor and his son Alimgarh II. Due to the fear of his wazir, he remained a refugee with Shah Uddaulah from 1761 and until 1764. The third battle of Panipat 17 was fought during his reign. Maratha Ahmad Shah Abdali, who also participated in the Battle of Buxar 1764, along with the combined armies of Mir Qasim, the Nawab of Bengal, and Sajidullah, Nawab of Awadh. But later he was defeated and was forced to sign the Treaty of Allahabad, under which Diwani right to collect revenue Bengal, which included Bihar and Orissa, was granted to the British East India Company, ascending his Bihar expedition. In which year was Alivardi appointed Deputy Governor of Bihar? 1733. So, which year Alivardi appointed Deputy Governor of Bihar? To 1733. Oh, where was the first Jila school opened in 1853? तो ये था आपका पटना. In the year 1835 was landmark in the development of modern education in Bihar. So after the passing of William Bentinck famous resolution 7th March 1835, institution for imparting the English education began to spring up at different places in Bihar. Jila school were started at Patna, Ara, and Chhapra beside the Hill School of Bhagalpur. The Patna High School was established in July 1835. It was the first English school in Bihar to be established under government auspices and stood alone for 10 years. When was the Patna College established? तो ये था आपका 1863. In 1940, Patna Women's College was founded by which of the following society? तो ये था आपका Sister of Apostolic Carmel. 64th Native Infantry near Peshawar urged to the revolt against the British. Who led the Quit India movement in Patna city on 11th August 1942? तो ये था subaltern section of the city. Among the following leaders from Bihar appeared before the Hammond Commission at Ranchi to demand voting rights for the Dalit? ये था आपका बाबू जगजीवन राम.